Is your Galaxy Watch burning your wrist or shutting down unexpectedly? Don't worry, because I have the quick fixes you need right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. Your watch usually overheats because too many background processes are fighting for power or your wireless signals are struggling. Let us fix this fast. Step 1 is to turn off Always On Display. This feature keeps the screen active and generates constant heat. Turn it off in your display settings to give the processor a break. Step 2 is to lower your screen brightness. High brightness levels are a leading cause of thermal buildup. Set it to a comfortable middle ground or use auto brightness. Step 3 is to manage your connections. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if you are not actively using them. Searching for a 2.4 GHz signal constantly will make the battery and the chip run hot. Step 4 is to close all background apps. Just like a phone, these apps eat up memory and create heat. Swipe them away regularly to keep things fresh. Step 5 is to disable location services. GPS is a massive power drain and heat generator. Only turn it on when you are actually tracking a workout or using maps. Step 6 is to check for rogue apps. Sometimes a specific app crashes and loops in the background. Uninstall any third-party app you recently added before the overheating started. Step 7 is to use an official charger. Cheap third-party chargers can push unstable voltage. This causes the watch to get extremely hot while sitting on the puck. Step 8 is to turn off wake-up gestures. If your watch screen turns on every time you move your arm, it never gets a chance to cool down. Set it to touch to wake instead. Step 9 is to optimize your battery settings. Use the built-in device care tool to clean up memory and stop unnecessary power draw. Step 10 is to perform a software update. Make sure your watch is running the latest version available. Here's a quick bonus tip for you. If your watch is currently too hot to touch, do not put it in the freezer. The sudden temperature change can cause internal condensation and ruin the electronics. Just set it on a cool surface near a fan for 5 minutes. If you face any difficulty with these steps, please leave a comment below. I will reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you out. If this video saved your watch, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your watch is a powerful tool, and with these settings, it will stay cool and fast.